Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again excited to share with you tools that can help you with solving algebraic equations. And today, we have a problem that when you see most students, they look at it and say, wow, this looks messy to me. How do I solve this thing? And I said, but have no fear. I will show you a simpler way, okay? So first off, I'm going to start by rewriting this, so we can show you step-by-step procedures how to do it. So remember, just as if you are cooking or playing soccer or training for music, there's steps and routines that you have to do to ensure success. So here, I get a 7 minus parentheses 5x minus 13 equals negative 25. Alright, so what comes to my mind is step number 1 is I need to, you see this minus, this acts as a negatives in this point. So I need to distribute this here. So I'll rewrite the 7. The 7 is fine. Negative, think of it as if it's an invisible 1 here. Negative 1 times 5x will be negative 5x. Okay? And negative 1 times negative 13. A negative times a negative is positive. That'll be positive 13 or plus 13. Is equal to negative 25. Okay? Be careful. Always analyze and check the signs. Most students have problems with the signs of the integers. That's what keeps you from getting the right answer, because you find an answer, but you find the answer not considering the integer, the sign of the integers, and it will give you a whole different answer that you weren't looking for. Okay, that's step 1. Now step 2, now we're going to combine like terms. So we have 7 and 13. All right, so we're going to add them together. Okay, so I'll do 7 plus 13, so I'll keep the negative 5x here, and 7 plus 13 is a positive 20 equals negative 25. Okay? All right. 3. So now that we have negative 5x plus 20 equals negative 20, the next step I will do is I need to move this 20 to this side. And to do that, I'll have to subtract this 20 so that I can move it here. Okay? So I'll rewrite that here. Negative 5x plus 20 equals negative 25. So I'm subtracting the 20 on both sides. Okay? So I'll cross out this 20, and negative 25 plus or minus negative 20 minus 20 is simply negative 45. And I'm going to show you what's going on here. Okay? So when you have, just keep this in mind. Keep, change, and flip. All right? I like to call it KCF. Okay? So you have a negative 25 minus 20. Okay? So what happens is that you keep the negative 25 as it is. That's the key part. You change the sign. So if it's operation subtraction, now it's addition. And you flip the sign of this positive 20. So now it's negative 20. So now the answer will be negative 25 plus negative 20 is negative 45. Okay? So that's why when you have here, so just think of it as this is step, now we're entering step 4. Negative 5x is equal to negative 45. Okay? So the next step we need to do is divide it by negative 5 in each side. Okay? We divide that to get it, and x will equal, since there's a negative divided by negative equals a positive, we know that the answer has to have a positive sign. okay? And just now think of it simply as 45 divided by 5. It will simply give you a 9, but a positive 9, okay? So that's how you solve it in a simple manner, okay? This is how you do it, step-by-step procedure, so that you could do well. We went to something that looked challenging, that looked like it's a mess, to something simple, so that you could understand, okay? Take care, guys. This is Mr. Frederick, out.